viewers, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and I am also fine. You know that today this is our 15 English speaking practice day and I am very glad that day by day I am completing another day and another day and I am going forward. So you also will be glad to that this is our middle of our series, English speaking series. But this is not that after those days that they will past already, and after those days we will stop our practicing or we will stop our speaking and improving. But this is not. After completing our daily speaking or daily series, then we also speak, we also upgrade new video, but randomly another video, but we don't upload any video on this series. We maybe upload 30 videos on this series, daily speaking practice. So starts our today video, and I also want to say another thing that this thing say my all videos, but also I want to say, because this is important, I'm not any teacher or any tutor. I'm a learner like you. So if you find any mistakes to me, then you also can comment me. It will helps me to improve my speaking. So let's start our today's video. Know that I every day speak randomly, not any topics, not any subjects. And for this, today the sun is rised already, and it's reflecting its sunlight, and flexible, little flexible minds are blowing, and the weather is cold and also cold and calm, and I also listening the birds singing. So when I come out to record my video and to practice my English, then I come out and I feel very relaxed, because this weather is very good and very important for speaking or you're practicing this weather. So I like this weather, and I also like to speak this weather or in this weather. So today I also want to share a thing that in our countries, our students know I know many grammars rules, a lot of grammar rules. They are very experts on grammar rules, but they don't know how they use this, but they don't know about this. So this is, I think this is very bad in our and this is very bad practice, and this is not correct. Just knowing grammar is not any good thing. You have to be know how you can apply this, how this is work. And if you just know grammar rules, then this is not many works or any important practice. So I think this is wrong practice, and our education systems is this, that they just learn or they just train their how to learn their rules. Like the example is two boys, and one boys bought a lot of books on how to swim, and he read those books, and but he don't practice in swim how to swim, or he don't practice by swimming or in any ponds or any rivers. And another was, he don't read any books on swimming, he just starts practicing from first day with zero. In first day he don't don't know how to practice, he don't learn, or he do not swim, but day by day, 1 week later he can swimming. But another boy, 1 week later he will learn a lot of knowledge about swimming or how to swim, but he don't swim. So this is the matter. Our students also know a lot of vocabulary, a lot of grammar part. I want to speak about times on this second part. I don't speak a lot uh, about time. That's speak specific some sentence. Time, yes, time is very important, and also some people think that time is enemy for him or her, but and also another and also another some people think that time is very important. This is not enemy, this is a part to in our life, and which also helps to improve. Time can completely change a life. So what's the right? Now I explain this. Time is important about time is important to the people. The people can apply this time, the people can apply or can use these times perfectly and properly. From him, time is important, but time is enemy the people who cannot use time properly, who just use time for distraction, or who just destroy time, and he who don't know the importance of time. From him, time is enemy. So if we can use time uh, for time also from us, time will be very important friends and very good friends to complete or to success our life. So from today, you also use time properly. Works the every day, daily, regularly. So you also train your mind to works daily with times. So this is that's all, and I don't speak more on times. And I also today want to share with you a very important thing. Don't this important, I want to share with you. And then, though when I saw this thing, then I also regret in my mind, then I also can share you. Then see this. Is that many people are collecting something from this field, and what they collecting. And I also showed you there that in my another video that farmers are collecting their potato from their fields. And after collecting farmers potato, then many ordinary peoples in remote village, many ordinary people comes, and they are collecting also potato. I don't thought they also collecting potato and yet they finding. Yes, if they don't find any potato, they don't stay there, or they don't growing here yet. So maybe they are finding, and many people also coming. I also still noticed that many people are coming. If you just say that many people also coming, and my camera is not good, and they are coming for collecting potatoes, and they just working hard at one things. They just working hard. They don't. I also see, so that a small child, he also came to collect potato, but I asked him, I asked him that he is finding anything, but he said that find very little, very a little, but So and also coming, and I I saw these fields, and I also thought that there are nothing, there are no potato. So also they are growing field, they are growing lands. And from this I learned something, that if you do hard works, if you do hard works, you will find, you will get your result. Gods, almighty gods, don't don't remove us. So he give us, and her plan, God's plan, his plans is better, his work is better. We don't think his plan. So don't afraid, don't fear if your plan is not work. You think that God's plan is better than your plans. You sometimes even you then don't thought that you find something that you don't thought. So don't afraid, just do your tasks, do your job, do your job honorably. So that's all for today. And if you little appreciate or attract or inspire to this from this video, then also can likes my video, and also can share with your friends. And that's all, and have a good day.